Jay Blades is a furniture restorer and presenter originally from Hackney, but currently based in Wolverhampton. He is best known for presenting The Repair Shop, Money for Nothing and co-presenting Jay and Dom's Home Fix. He has also appeared in Would I Lie to You?, Celebrity Masterchef, Richard Osman's House of Games, and Michael McIntyre's The Wheel. Blades was raised in East London with his mother and half-brother. He is one of 26 children his father fathered in different countries. He has dyslexia which was not diagnosed at school. He experienced racism at school and from the police. As a young man he worked as a laborer and in factories. He then went to Buckinghamshire New University as a mature student to study criminology. When Blades married, he and his then-wife, Jade, set up a charity based in High Wycombe, Out of the Dark, to train disadvantaged young people in furniture restoration. The charity lost funding, Blades' marriage broke down, and he became homeless. He was supported by friends and by the Caribbean community. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.